Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cartoon hand in Blender. I'm using the version 2.8, so let's start. Let me hide this camera. I will start with this box, so tap to switch to edit mode. Move this face a little bit lower. I'm going to switch to orthographic view. I'm going to use this face to extrude three fingers. So let me use Ctrl E to bring out the edge menu, subdivide, two slice, top view. Okay, I'm going to extrude these three faces. I'm going to press Alt E, extrude individual faces. Okay, now I'm gonna scale down each individual face. I need to make sure the individual origin is selected, and then press S to scale down. Okay, now we have our three little fingers here. Now I'm going to make the thumb. E to extrude. Merge these two vertices, use Alt M at last. Let me use Alt Z to bring up X-ray mode, Alt M to merge. Move this edge a little bit down. Select this face, extrude. We're going to extrude the thumb from this face. Alt M to merge. Alt M, merge. Move it here. Okay, let's extrude this face. Scale it down a little bit. I want to adjust by some of these edges. I want to join these two vertices to make an edge. J to join the vertex. Then I want to remove this edge, actually dissolve this edge. Press X, dissolve edge. Okay, now look, the mesh looks beautiful for me. Okay, let's add the modifier, the subdivision surface modifier, part 3. Okay, basically we have done with it. We need to add some crease and to bring up the panel and add crease. Okay, I'm okay with this. Thank you for watching.